Route 2B, Plymouth, from the Plymouth Road stand to the Green Road Park and Ride. Outbound 2B, from Plymouth Mall to the Green Road Park and Ride. Continuing through stop at Plymouth Mall. You're gonna make a right turn at the roundabout onto Huron Parkway. There are no stops on Huron Parkway. So we're just going to follow Huron Parkway until we get back to Plymouth Road. At Plymouth Road, we will make a left turn. Again, this is the outbound 2B from Plymouth Mall to the Green Road Park and Ride. Making our left turn onto Plymouth Road. Stop approaching. Please remember to adhere to all Ann Arbor crosswalk rulings. Stop approaching. Whenever there is a pedestrian inside of a marked crosswalk, we must yield the right-of-way to said pedestrian. As we approach the traffic light at Green Road, we're going to make a right turn. Making our right turn at Green Road. Stop approaching. When you see the blue Plymouth Green Road sign, you're going to make a right turn into the first driveway. As we enter the Plymouth Green Road commuter lot, very first driveway to the left, we're going to turn, which provides our bus shelters. Pull in and service the stop. This concludes the outbound 2B from Plymouth Mall to the Green Road Park and Ride.